Yeah, and that's what I told him. I said the only way you gonna learn is when you do it yourself and bump your head. He said, he just smiled. I said, hey, long as you know how to, long as you know. So, all right, hold on, let me take care of this. See what's going on with this. Shit. Yeah.
We gonna get them. Like your attitude.
Nah, she good people.
Oh, where your shoes? You ain't never ordered them, man?
Oh yeah, I gotta order me some.
That's what you said. I thought you said you already had ordered.
Nah, I ain't pulled the trigger. I should have pulled the trigger. No.
Oh, okay.
Hold on. Let me. Yeah. Yeah, I got it right there. Whew. I'm gonna do it right here. Shit. Gustavo?
My friend.
Yeah.
You saw the photo, my friend?
Why, what's up? I'm on the roof.
You're on the roof, so look, my house, before they did the house,
Yeah.
they don't have a turbo bin, my friend. They had a Benz.
They had what? They had a what again?
The Benz.
Oh, the little box vents?
Yeah, yeah.
So they didn't have no turbine vent? Because he said he heard them turning on when it got too hot in the attic. Okay. Okay, I'll take a look at it. Hold on. Oh, got you. Okay, let me take a look and see.
So I can put the turbo vent and somebody connect the side.
Okay.
So we will.
Hold on, let me take a look at it.
Okay.
All right. can hear the grain just falling off this thing. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. So there's widespread wind damage on all slopes. This right here shows that the roof is not repairable because the damage to shingles above. Use the proper tools. All right.